a smile on display.
C is for cow, who gives milk to the crew. Donkey rolls C down the farm path too.
D is for duck, flapping wings near the gate. Donkey brings D, never running late.
E is for eggs in the nest, nice and round. Donkey carts C over soft leafy ground.
F is for fox, waving near the tree. Donkey brings F so happily.
G is for goat with a beard and a skip. Donkey pulls G on a gentle trip.
H is for hen by the barn in the sun. Donkey with H makes the journey fun.
I is for insects buzzing in the air. Donkey hauls I with the wind in his hair.
J is for jump as the lambs play and cheer. Donkey brings J with a giggle and gear.
K is for kite flying high and bright. Donkey drags K through the morning light.
L is for leaves that rustle and blow. Donkey rolls L through the valley below.
M is for mountains tall and wide. Donkey brings M on a forest side ride.
N is for nest that birds build in spring. Donkey brings N while the robins sing.
O is for owl with big wise eyes. Donkey carts O under sunrise skies.
P is for pig playing in the hay. Donkey brings P down the cheerful way.
Q is for quack from the duck in the stream. Donkey pulls Q through a green daydream.
R is for rabbit who hops with glee. Donkey rolls R past the tall pine tree.
S is for sheep who waves hello. Donkey with S walks soft and slow.
T is for turkey gobbling near the wall. Donkey brings T standing proud and tall.
U is for umbrella when clouds pass by. Donkey rolls U with the sunny sky.
V is for vegetables in the patch. Donkey with V makes a jolly match.
W is for wagon full of fun. Donkey brings W on the run.
X is for xylophone playing a song. Donkey with X trots right along.
Y is for yellow duck waddling near. Donkey brings Y with the happy cheer.
Z is for zoo where animals play. Donkey with Z ends the A-B sway.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud.